All right, so we've peeled back the double layer of protection. So sorry, tile guys, I'll put it back together. So when we were prepping this particular floor, we needed to make sure that the prep below this, which is called a mud bed, was perfectly level. And the reason I say perfectly level or close to perfect is that you can see these tile triangles have lots of different cuts and lots of different movement. If you just had a 12 by 12 piece of tile, when we place that, we can really work the floor. But since these are independent pieces on a sheet, we don't have that flexibility. So we have to be spot on when we prep the floor. So that's one thing that went into, you know, an incredible installation, which is what you see here. This is stone, so we will need to seal the stone, but we don't want to seal it right now because we need to make sure the floor is clean, clean, clean before we seal. So we let work continue. You see that we'll have some dust in this room, and at the end we'll do a nice clean, and then we'll seal this stone. One of the other things is our toilet water supply is right here, so we've made a nice little section here to place our escutcheon, which will sit right there. Looks really good.